Good afternoon, student. Today we will see some programs based on the right lines, method of the Python. So you all know very well that Python provides two types of methods, two types of functions for writing onto the file. Python provides two types of the methods or functions for writing onto the files. Means if you want to add new data into the file, if you want to append new data into the file, so you can append it, you can add your new data, new content into the file by using the writing methods. So when you will perform the writing operations, you can use the writing function when the file is open. So writing functions work on open files. Python provides two types of writing functions on data file, that is a write and write lines. That is write and write lines. Now we will see write lines. What is the use of write lines? Write lines write all strings in list L as lines to files referenced by file handle. File handle you know very well. When file handle will be created, when you open file by using the open method, at that time file object is created. Okay, so when you want to use the write lines function, you have to use the write line function by using the file handle, or file object. So write lines function will write all the strings in the list format. It will write all the strings, whatever strings you will passing to the write lines method or function will be treated as a list. Okay, this is the syntax of the write lines. File handle dot write lines, inside the opening and closing parenthesis L means list of the string, File handle is the name of the file object. Now we will see the program. Create a file to hold some data separated as lines using write lines. Okay, create a file to hold some data separated as lines using write lines. So this is a program. File out equals to open student3 dot text comma w. So what it will do first, when you are writing any program in a write mode, what happen? First it will check whether that file is present in the particular path, in the specified path or not. If it is exist, so it will open that file and overwrite the content. Okay, अगर फाइल ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट होंगी उस पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफाइड ड्राइव में, तो क्या होगा, जो भी आप कंटेंट लिखने वाले हो दैट विल बी ओवरराइट. एंड इफ फाइल इज़ नॉट एग्जिस्ट, मतलब पहले वो फाइल वहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट नहीं है, उस नाम की कोई फाइल बनी हुई नहीं है. सो it will open the new file by the name student3.txt, student3.txt, and file out is the name of the file object. List1 equals to empty opening and closing square brackets. Means what? List1 is a list which is having no elements, means it's a empty list. List1 is the empty list. Okay, for I in range of 5, means it will start entering the data from 0 to 4, or this loop will be execute for 5 times, but it will execute from 0 to 4. This loop will be execute from 0 to 4. Okay, name equals to input, enter name of students. Name equals to input, enter name of student. So we are entering the name of the student in the form of the string, so no need to convert into the integer or float, because when you are entering any alphabet, any data, it will be treated as a string by the input method. Okay, so input method is used for entering data from the keyboard. List1 dot append name plus inside the single quotation mark /n. So list1 is the empty list here. This is the empty list. This is the empty list. Okay, so we have to append one items into the list. What is the use of the append method? Append method is used to add single element at the end of the list. Append method एक एक एलिमेंट, एक एक आइटम लिस्ट में ऐड करने के लिए यूज होता है एंड इट विल ऐड द एलिमेंट एट द एंड ऑफ द लिस्ट. सी नाउ इट्स ए एम्प्टी लिस्ट मीन्स व्हाट, इट विल ऐड द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट एट द first position, but it will but when it will enter the second element, so it will add the ending position of the list. So append method is used to add the element or item into the list at the end. Okay, then so what you will append into the list? We will append in list name. Okay, in the name we are entering the name of the student. Here we are entering the name of the student, so that name will be appended into the list. That name will be appended to the list. Okay, now plus sign is used here. Plus sign is used here. Okay, so what is the use of plus sign? What is the use of plus sign? Plus symbol is used for concatenating two strings, two characters. Okay, plus symbol is used for concatenation, is used for concatenation. Concatenation means for joining. Concatenation means joining two strings, two letters, two words, whatever. Okay, so plus operator we used here means what it will concatenate? It will concatenate name and it will concatenate the /n character. It will concatenate name and the /n character. Okay, as you all know that write method, by using the write method, whenever you are writing the content to the file, it will not add any extra character like new line character. Similarly for the write lines also not adding new line character. Write lines also will not add new line character. So you have to take care of adding new lines to your file. So you have to take care of adding new lines to your files. मतलब अगर आपको new line में अगर entry करनी है तो specifically you have to use the /n means new line character, because both write method and write lines method are not adding any extra character, like new line character. ये खुद से write method, write line method contents add करने के लिए हम use कर रहे हैं, but it will not add any extra character. ये /n new line character enter नहीं करता है. तो आपको specifically क्या करना है? You have to take care of adding new line character to your file. आपको ध्यान से जब भी आप डेटा एंटर कर रहे हो, बाय यूजिंग द राइट लाइन्स और राइट मेथड यू हैव टू यूज द /n फॉर इंसर्टिंग द न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी आर अपेंडिंग one आइटम. इन दिस वे by using this code we are appending one name to the list. We are appending name to the list. Okay, file out dot write lines in the bracket list1. File out dot write lines in the bracket list1. Now see, here we not used any write method or write lines method. Here what we did only? Here we did only, we entered only the name of the student. We entered the name of the 5 students. We will enter here name of the 5 students, and one by one we will append the name of the student into the list. Understand what I am saying? जो ये for loop है उसके अंदर हमने क्या किया है, बॉडी में हमने सिर्फ 5 स्टूडेंट्स के नेम एंटर किए हैं, 5 स्टूडेंट्स के नेम एंटर करने के बाद उसे हमने लिस्ट में अपेंड किए हैं, लिस्ट में ऐड किए हैं. नाउ द लिस्ट इज हैविंग टोटल 5 एलिमेंट्स. लिस्ट इज हैविंग नाउ 5 एलिमेंट्स and that list we are providing to the write lines method, and this list we are providing to the write lines method. Now list 1 is having the total 5 elements. List 1 is having total name of the 5 students, and that name of the students that contains that elements of the list will be now we are writing into the file by using the write lines. Write lines is the method which is used to insert the list. Okay, so file out is having the reference of student3.txt. File out is having the reference of student3.txt. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, राइट लाइन्स मेथड में हम पास कर रहे हैं लिस्ट 1 को. ओके, लिस्ट 1 इज हैविंग द स्ट्रिंग्स, is having the name of the students, so that name of the students will be added to the student3.txt file, will be added to the student3.txt file. Okay, next, file out dot close. I told you that whenever you are opening file by using the open method, then you have to be close your file by using the close function, because sometimes it may happen that some content remains in the memory buffer and that will be not reflected into the file. So when you are using the close method or close function for closing the file, for breaking the link in between the file object and the file which is stored onto the disk. Okay, so it will forcefully write the contents which remain into the memory buffer to the file. ठीक है, क्लोज मेथड, क्लोज फंक्शन क्या करेगा, फोर्सफुली वो मेमोरी बफर में जो भी कंटेंट रिमेनिंग कंटेंट है, मेमोरी बफर में जो भी रिमेनिंग कंटेंट है, दैट विल बी राइट ऑन टू द फाइल. ओके, दैट्स वाई यू हैव टू क्लोज फाइल after task performed. Okay, so in this way we can create a file by using the write lines method. Now we will see the sample run of code. So here I entered 5 names: Nitya, Noor, Nathan, Naved, Naveen. Okay, these 5 names are entered here. Now I want to check. Now I entered these 5 names when I execute the program, but I am not able to see whether that this name is added into the student3.txt file or not. So what you have to do for checking the output, अगर आपने नेम जो है, ये सारे जो नाम है 5 नेम्स है, आपने वो एंटर कर लिए है, बट आपको वो यहाँ पे आउटपुट नहीं दिख रहा है. यू ओनली एंटर्ड दिस नेम, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू चेक द आउटपुट, अगर आपको आउटपुट चेक करना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यू हैव टू ओपन द student3.txt फाइल. ओके, आपको क्या ओपन करना पड़ेगा, student3.txt फाइल, सो यू कैन नो दैट वेदर दिस नेम इज एंटर्ड इनटू द फाइल और नॉट. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल चेक दिस. So in this way it will add the names. See, we used the /n here. Okay, new line character will used here. Okay, so because of that it will enter name into the new line. Okay, so this is the output of the program. Now what we will learn into the writing onto files. See, till now we learned Python provides 3 types of read functions. Okay, for reading purpose we have Python provides 3 functions, that is a read line and read lines. Okay, read function will read the specific number of bytes whatever you provide. If you not provide any number inside the parentheses of the read method, it will read the entire content of the file. Read line method is used to read the one complete line. Read line method is used to read the complete line. If you provide the number line there, then it will read the number of lines that time. Okay, both read and read line methods will return the content of the file in the form of the string. Will return the content of the file in the form of string. Read lines is used to read the entire content of the file and it will return in the form of the list. Then we seen Python provides two types of writing functions, that is the write and write lines. Write function is used to write one line and write lines, and it will enter the data in the form of the strings, write function, and write lines will enter the data in the form of the list. Okay, both write and write lines functions are not adding any content, not a न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर ऑल्सो. जो आप डेटा इंटर कर रहे हैं वो वही डेटा वो वहाँ पे कंटेंट उसमें इंटर करेगा, जो भी आप लिख रहे हो वही वो वहाँ पे फाइल में ऐड करेगा, बट अदर देन दैट इट विल नॉट ऐड एनी एक्स्ट्रा सिंगल कैरेक्टर. ओके, नॉट अ स्पेस एंड नॉट अ न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर. सो इन दिस वे वी learn some reading functions, some writing functions. Okay, in the next video we will see some programs. Okay, we will see some programs like a program to get roll numbers, name and marks of the students of a class, get from user. हमें user से data enter करना है. Okay, and store these details in a file called marks.dat. Okay, then we will see the program to display the contents of the file. Okay, so next portion is having some programs which is based on the file manipulation, and the CSV file and the CSL file. CSV comma separated values. Okay, so here today's session is over. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.